How to generate captions in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. First, make sure your sequence is selected, then come up to Window, come down to Text. This is going to bring you into this window. Click into Transcript, then press the blue Transcribe button. Premiere will then transcribe any dialogue in your video. Here, you'll be able to play through your transcription, and you'll also be able to pause, double click into anywhere there are any errors and make changes to the words for your transcription. For example, if I had an error here, I can just double click into it like so. I can make the changes that I need to make and then click out of it. Once you're happy, press the CC button. This is going to create the captions. Click this arrow drop down. The format should be subtitle, style can be none. Minimum length in characters is going to depend on what you want for your video. The bigger it is, the bigger your captions will be. I'm going to go for around 18, 19, that will do. I'm going to set the minimum duration to around 1.5, no gap in between frames, and then lines double. Next, click Create Captions and you'll begin to see these captions appear above your video like so. If you want to customize these and improve the look of this, you can do this by selecting all of your captions, then coming up to Window, come down to Properties, and then within here you can customize the font size, color, and positioning of the caption. Now, because we selected all of the captions previously, all of the changes will be reflected on every single caption like so you don't need to go through and do it individually. And that's all there is to it.